Top 3 survival items that could fit in your pocket. Ever wonder what you should need if you ever found yourself in a survival situation? Well, here are the top 3 survival items that could help you out and fit in your pocket. Item number 1, a knife. A knife is one of the most useful and versatile items you could have in your kit. They are lightweight and durable. You can use them in all kinds of situations. A weapon is the most obvious thing. You could fasten it to the end of a stick for a spear. You could skin and field dress any animal you might catch. Also use it as a utensil to cook and eat that animal. You can use a knife to cut twigs and knotches to make a trap or make kindling for a fire. You could strike your knife to make a spark for a fire. You can even use it as a mirror or to signal someone in the distance. There are so many uses for a knife, I can't list them all. Item number 2, a lighter. A lighter is an amazing survival tool. Fire on demand. A lighter can save you so much time and effort in starting a fire, and with a fire you'll be able to stay warm and dry. You can boil water to drink, you can cook any food you catch, you can make smoke signals or signal fire, even a torch to light your way, and all this just from a simple lighter. Item number 3, an emergency blanket. Emergency blankets have many uses, are super lightweight, and already come in a folded and pocket-sized package. You can wrap yourself up in one and use it as intended, just like a blanket. You could fasten it to a tree to create a survival shelter. This will also bounce any heat from a fire that you have back onto you. You can create a backpack or a bag with it. It is also shiny enough to use as a signaling device. There they are. With these 3 survival items, you could create a pocket-sized survival kit that just may help you stay alive to survive another day. If you like survival gear, primitive skills, and outdoor knowledge, then please check the video description to see some awesome survival gear and learn some skills. If you like this pocket-sized survival gear and would like to learn more, please be sure to subscribe, share, or comment. And don't forget to click that link in the description for more awesome gear. And remember, more survival awaits.